The question we're answering today is, what should I do with my 401k when I leave my company? And you basically have two choices. You can leave the money in the 401k at the company, or you can roll it over into an individual retirement account. Let's talk about leaving it behind. There's only two reasons I can think of leaving the money behind in the 401k with the old company. Number one, there's a stable value account or a fixed interest account inside that 401k that has a very favorable interest rate that you can't get outside the 401k. This is very rare these days, but we still do see that from time to time. The other answer is if you want mutual funds and the mutual funds are lower cost inside the 401k than they are if you roll the money over into an individual retirement account. Again, fairly rare these days that you can't get low cost funds outside the 401k, but you need to investigate that. In my experience, most people roll the money from the from the 401k over into the IRA because they have more flexibility and control. They can control the way the beneficiary designations get set up a little more uniquely, and also they can set up different trusts that can be beneficiaries where some 401ks you can't do that. You have total flexibility on the investment side. You can invest in anything you choose. You don't have to stick with the company's menu that they have decided. You're also the client, by the way. When the money's at the company in their 401k, they are the client. So a couple of unique things that you have to think of. Again, for most people, in my experience, and certainly most of the people that come to us for advice, we tend to roll that money over into an individual retirement account where they have flexibility and control, but you have to investigate all the possibilities, make sure you understand the decision so that you can make the right decision for you. If you've enjoyed this topic but you want to learn more about it, click on the link to get our retirement guide.